what's up? Football Feeder here. And today we are going to be playing Nerf hide and seek. So yeah, we are joined today with Xavier.
Hello.
And we are also joined today with
No, it's
Cameron. Yeah, so sorry that was a little cringy, but if you win, you get this big, really cool trophy, and I'll show you guys it. Yeah, it's pretty lit. So we will explain the rules, and we will also show you guys our guns when we are back. Goodbye. Hey guys, we're back, and we are going to be showing you guys our guns and then explaining our rules in one quick second. So right here is Xavier's gun. It's in the modular series. It's a one-shot pistol. Right here is my gun, and it's in the Zombie Strike series, and it's a two-shot pistol. But we also have extra ammunition for both of these guns. And we have Cameron's gun, which is in the Zombie Strike series, and it's a one-shot gun that has 2 extra slots. It's pretty cool. So yeah, now we are going to explain the rules, and we are going to hear from Cameron. So Cameron, tell us the rules of this Nerf hide and seek.
Okay, so the seeker, he has to shoot the people, but if the people that are trying not to get shot, if he shoots them,
Seeker? Yeah.
the seeker, then they're safe. They can't be shot again. But if the seeker shoots the person, then they're it.
Yeah, and the first one to get shot is it, but you keep playing until both of the people are out.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're gonna decide who's the seeker first. I guess I'll be it first. Is that okay with you guys?
Yeah,
Xavier?
yeah, that's fine.
Cameron? Okay, so you can go anywhere in the house. Well, not anywhere in the house. You cannot go upstairs, like upstairs. But that's the only, and outside. That's the only place you can't go. So, yeah, we're gonna come back, and we will see you guys in 1 second. Guys, we are back, and so we are going to show, like, I'm gonna be counting right now. So, yeah, let's start counting. So I counted to 30, guys, and we have to go find him now. Let's see if we can do it.
Oh, great. I'm dead.
I got him. Huh?
I'm safe.
I already shot Xavier. So Cameron has 1 point now, and I shot Xavier first right there. So he's going to be at first, and he's going to be counting to 30. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to hide somewhere, and he will count. So let's get ready. Guys, so this is going to officially start now. He's going to be counting for a little while. We didn't even see him. Huh? You didn't get me, did you?
No.
Oh. He just missed barely. That was lucky. He scared the poopy out of me. Oh, crap. I'm screwed. Lowered it again. Boom! Trying to fake this little trick. Got you.
Got me. You got me.
So I got him.
So now you're safe.
Gonna pick up my bullets. Guys, so we can't find Cameron. We don't know who he is, but we could do it. I mean, I shot Xavier already, so I'm definitely not gonna be it. So big fight between Cameron and Xavier for the victory of this, or not really the victory. Whoever becomes it, because we're still playing one more round. And Cameron was hiding behind there. I do not know how we got back there. It's kind of weird. And this battle's going to take forever. So we will see you guys when it's over, and we will tell you who will win. Guys, they tied at the end.
I should have won because I blew up his gun.
It's not really true, but so they're gonna do a rock paper scissors to see who's gonna be it again. Best of 3. So 2. It could be whoever wins 2 technically wins. So here we go. Cameron versus Xavier. We're gonna do the real rock paper scissors. So ready, set, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So Cameron won that one. So we have
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh, it's a tie.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it!
So whoever wins this one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah!
So Xavier's it again, which really sucks. But he's gonna be counting.
Wait, that means I'm out. That means it's down to you guys.
No.
How? Because it's out of 3, and you guys are the only 2 people who can win now. No.
Yeah. So
It's hide and seek. It's whoever I shoot first. No, this is the last round. You just can't win. Yeah, whoever I shoot loses.
yeah,
The winner.
it's true. So me and Cameron both have 1 point.
No,
and
you have 0.
No, I killed.
You have to survive a round.
I did. I shot Xavier. So guys, we will. I won that. Well, I technically
I'm
won
up
that
by
round.
1 point.
Yeah, it's 1-1 right now. Me versus me and Cameron.
It's 1 to 2. Me. No, you. Yeah, I survived the first round. Oh yeah, that is right.
Yeah, that's true. So it's 1-2. So Cameron technically
we
wins.
played 2 rounds. He
yeah.
won and then you just won.
Yeah, that's right.
1-1. It's the tiebreaker.
This is the tiebreaker, guys. So
I'm.
we will see when we get our hiding spot. So first person to shoot the person who's it is the one who wins this battle and gets that big fat trophy. So yeah, we are gonna start in 1 second after they reload. So yeah. So guys, we are back.
4, 5, 6,
We are going
7,
to try to
8,
tie.
9,
Okay, we gotta win this one.
11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes! Oh! I won! No, King shot. Yo, I got you! You missed! Oh, shit!
Congratulations to Cameron. He just won the battle, the Nerf war, and he will get this big trophy. So hand it off. He's the Nerf battle champion. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and smash that like button. In the comments, tell us what our subscriber name should be, and goodbye.